What's going on, family, man? We back with another one, and I know you've seen the last video where we put this steering wheel in. Now, that video is linked down in the description below, but what we got here today is what we talked about before. So, you know what I'm saying? We trying to really get these jobs done. That's what we got, man. Check that out. We got an NRG quick release steering wheel adapter. Now, this guy right here serves two purposes. One, my steering wheel is way too far forward for me, so I need to space it. So this is a spacer. Two, it's cool, bro. Like, come on now, get with the program. It's cool. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna install this guy, and we'll get back with you. Now, first things first, I already took the screws off, bro. If you've seen the video, you already know how this guy went on. It's 4 Phillips head screws right here. Take that guy off. Then we're gonna take our steering wheel off. Next up, this adapter. Pop that guy off. Now it's fairly simple, bro. You done popped everything off. We're gonna throw the same screws we took out of the steering wheel in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's one more. Okay. 6 screws, 6 screws. I have extras. Bro, then, now, NRG made this simple for you. Check this out. This dot right here is the center of your steering wheel. Okay? All right, family, so we got all our screws in on the steering wheel. Now we just got to put this little faceplate back on. If your horn is working, there's 2 wires back there that you just plug into the horn. Obviously, if you've seen my last video, my horn's not working. But in another video, we'll get that fixed. So basically, I got 4 Phillips head screws that go into the back of this. We'll put those back in, and we're all done from there, man, and we'll show you how this guy works. All right, family, so you got all your screws on here, which I went ahead and changed these out to all the same screw because my OCD bothers me, and I went with chrome. It comes off pretty nice. It goes on pretty nice. All right, family, so I got everything put back together. Everything's reassembled. As you can see, this guy's all done. This is the NRG quick release steering wheel. Now, let's see how this thing works, man. It comes off pretty nice. It goes on pretty nice. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay. Look at that, man. That is nice. So, hey, man, I hope you guys love the video. This is a new one for me, man, so I hope you guys like the video. So, like, comment, subscribe, and you already know, man. We out.